Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Real Talk with B. Back at it again. You know how we do. We just gonna dive right on in. So check this out. I'm at the car wash again today, but this time it's to wash my baby. She got a little dust up here, man. That rain and yeah. So we gotta get her right. You know what I'm saying? We gotta get her all the way together. You know what I mean? Got to pay the toll. Gotta pay the cost to be the boss. Y'all remember that song? Pay the cost to be the boss. Let's say that $2. What? You know, I try to go ahead and do maximum minutes, so I ain't gotta come back to this thing. I can't stand putting coins in a thing. I don't know why either, y'all. I don't know. Let me get this pre-soak going. You heard? Thing is in my way, but it's cool. Pre-soak. Get up there. You know, I used to want to work at a car wash when I was younger. I never did, though. I didn't have the patience. I did other stuff, you know what I mean? It's cool. Got the license plate of my wife down there. Y'all know what it is. Well, that ain't the license. It was the plate, but y'all know what I mean. You know what I mean. It's like that around here. How often y'all take y'all cars to the car wash? Do y'all do this process right here? Or do y'all go through the drive and drive through it? I would, but I ain't gonna even hold y'all. I gotta get my sunroof fixed. I don't know what happened, but it be leaking. So I just come do this. You know what I'm saying? Hold tight. I'm gonna hit it with this foam brush. I'm doing one hand. So it's cool. I got it though. Get all of it. I'm trying to get these ones. Man, I'm looking for some rims, man. Summertime's coming up. Got my L, so I'm not tripping on them. I mean, I know some officers profile when you put something on there. I don't want nothing huge, though. Maybe just like some 2.2s or something, maybe. Even some 20s on this, because I'm not cutting my car. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people will cut their car. Not me. I'm not gonna cut my car for no rims. I'm not gonna do that. It ain't that deep. Anyway, be back in a minute. Got her all soaped down, ready to rock. On to the next mission. Get that high pressure soap going now. That high pressure. High pressure soap wash. Now, believe it or not, this is the high pressure rinse. The other one was soap. Did it switch it? Let's see. Yep, there we go. Now it's the rinse. Get all the soap up off of here. Get out of my dreams, get in the backseat, baby. Get into my car. Get out of my mind. Get into my ride. I said, hey, you, get into my car. Yeah. Nice day out for it, you know what I'm saying? Y'all better not be calling me slow either. I'm taking my time. I'm taking my time, people. I'm kidding. Y'all got on these dang flip-flops. I'm getting wet. That spot free rinse right quick. Let's get it done. That spot free rinse happening. So y'all can go ahead and take y'all whips out today this nice and wash y'all rides, y'all babies. Wash it up. Watch y'all fall out. Wash it up. Ooh. Uh-oh, it got caught. And you guys, I am done. That concludes today's car wash. Sponsored by Real Talk with B. Yeah, you know. So, now people, I'm gonna go put some dollars back into this machine, get some more quarters, come out here and vacuum my car. Alright, so, yeah, we got this right here. I seen some with the shampoo and everything. This one ain't got it though. They got some more in the back, but I'm just gonna vacuum it anyway. But, peace!